Hello! Mapagpalang hapon sa ating lahat. Nandito kami sa Chelsea Wharf. Malapit lang sa bahay, guys. Nandun yung bahay. So, naglalakad muna kami habang palapit na yung padilim na. Sunset na. Ayan. Sunset na doon, guys. Ayaw ng cellphone magano. Ayan, sunset. Ayan. Oh, napakaganda dito, guys. Look at that. Look at that, the breeze. Ayan. Chelsea Wharf here. Ito yung asawa ko, guys. Ito yung boat, yung parang bahay na nila dito. So tara, samahan niyo kami. Yan. Happy New Year, Pilipinas. Mapagpalang hapon. Akyat tayo doon. Akyat tayo doon, guys. Baby, we come back. Baby, we come back. Oh, look at that, guys. No need la, we go back home la. Maybe we go out na the kids. Ay! Ay naman makinig to. You see?
What happened? First time.
Dito naman kabilang bridge, guys. Oh, sunset here. Hello, London. Oh, napakaganda dito, guys. Another bridge. Ayan. Ba talaga ang London, guys, napakaganda. Sunset, padilim na dito. So thank you, Happy New Year to all. Memories na lang to ng 2025. God bless us all. Happy New Year, Pilipinas. Dito alas 4 pa lang ng hapon. So God bless everyone. Spread love and kindness.